Hello guys, my name is Omid from PLC channel. In this video I'm going to explain to you how can we use timers in Delta PLCs. So be with me. Okay, at the first I have to open my software. Okay, and I create a new project from here. My program title is timer. Okay, I use a normal open contact. Its name is 0x0. Okay, and then I type this from my keyboard, TMR T0. This T0 is name of my timer, and you can use T1, T2, or everyone you want. T0 space and K50. K50 means that our timer will be active after 5 seconds. You can type 100 and it means your timer will be active 10 seconds. It's not different. I use 10 seconds. Okay, and then I have to use another normal open contact, but its name have to be T0. This name will be have to be similar to your timer, T0 T0. Okay, okay, and I use a contact coil, coil Y0, and it is my output. Then I go to my simulator. Then I have to write my program to PLC from here. Okay, yeah, and on online mode, and we have to run our PLC. Okay, yes, click on X0, then right click on this and set on, and you can see the timer is counting numbers. After 10 seconds, this normal open contacts will be active, and Y0 will be active too. And this is very simple. You can see that is very simple, and you can use timer in your Delta PLCs, and you can program timers very easily. Okay, thank you for your watching. Please subscribe me, like my video if you like it, and ring my bell. Thank you again and goodbye.